today at Commercial Street at the old Aspers Casino building, and we've executed this morning a Section 23 Misuse of Drugs Act warrant. So we forced entry to the property this morning, and we've located a large cannabis factory or cannabis production setup. It is across all 3 floors of the building, so it's in a scale of size. This is a really, really large find for us, something that we're really, really pleased about, to get that amount of drugs off the streets. So we've seen doors that have been breeze blocked up, and the setup there is quite difficult for the police to breach. So we've used specialist officers, officers from a number of different teams across the force with specialist equipment, including kind of like electric saws, that sort of thing, so that we could get through the doors this morning. This isn't your average setup. This has needed quite a lot of specialist resources to get in and get us in safely. This isn't going to be quick to dismantle. Now we slow everything down. We've got control of the building, so you will see officers for probably the next few days out on all doors of the building. We're working with our colleagues at Western Power, and we also have our scenes of crime officers coming down, and then it's going to be a case of methodically going through and seizing the evidence that we've got inside. It's really, really hard to get a number at the moment, but from what I've seen, we are talking thousands of plants. In terms of the scale of what we would normally find, this is far and above that. It really is quite a large operation that we've uncovered here today.
So yes, people, as you can see here, we're outside Aspers Casino in Northampton, and this casino here, there was the biggest UK cannabis factory that was in here that was been found by the police. So yeah, man, we thought, why don't we come down and report and find out what's going on. Look, it's an empty building. Who's responsible for the building? You know what I mean? Like, so it just goes to show you that the people in power, or the people in power, I say the people in, when they got money brings power in it, but the people in position of power, yeah, you see they own these buildings, they can do what they want with them, and unless they don't get a tip off. Imagine how much growth they had in this whole building. Imagine having this whole building and being able to farm in it. You know what I mean? Like, madness. So yeah, Aspers Casino in Northampton, people, as you can see, got raided. It's all got a brick wall there, look. Madness, they were not playing about. That's crazy. Mad.